Have you ever sat down excited to make your next masterpiece but ended up scrolling on pictures for like 3 hours and giving up? Yeah, I used to do that too. But you know what? I found the secret. I'm going to share with you the 5 steps you need to make your next painting so that you can actually and finally make something instead of frying your brain like you're some kind of potato. Before we begin, let me tell you a few things about myself. I'm not as wavy siren on the internet, you may call me that. One last thing, English is not my first language, so my deepest apologies for any pronunciation mistakes. Starting off, you need to understand what's the reason behind your painting. Is it going to be for your own fun? For your portfolio? For a gift to a beloved one? Commission maybe? This is going to help you on the next stage, which is collecting references. If it's for a gift or commission, this step must be easier, since your options are limited to what the other person likes. But if it's for yourself, this is where it gets complicated. Or does it? You see, a lot of artists are perfectionists, but that's what's keeping you stuck. You are searching for the perfect reference, but everything seems too simple or overused. The hard truth is there is no perfect reference. If you're creative enough, you can take the simplest thing and make it fabulous. Your brain gets to actually think and imagine and not get everything ready, not leaving room for you to think. You're not a fucking jellyfish. Use that brain. After clearing this up, let me tell you what you're probably gonna need references on. The character's appearance, the pose, the accessories, the color palette, the angle or view, and the lighting. And here comes the first tip. When searching for the references, and this is especially useful for the poses, search for figurines. These tend to be more interesting and even dynamic if that's what you're aiming for, making your art piece far more appealing to the eye. Next, start the sketch. Combine all your references together. Maybe try doing 3 or 4 sketches and decide which one you're going to keep. Now the next step is actually optional, which is line art. Some people skip this step, some clean up their sketch and call it line art, and some, yeah, I'm talking to you, do the line art, it turns out a piece of shit and you give up. No, you are not going to do that. Never again, okay? I'm feeling extra nice today, so I'll give you the second tip. To make your line art not look like you drew it while high on an earthquake, next time try one of the following or maybe combine them all. Use line weight to sharpen the corners. I don't know how to name this technique. Add texture, shadows, hatches. Moving on, you're gonna start coloring. Don't be afraid of the colors. This is literally the most fun part. It's your own creation. You can make it look out of this world. You could make the shadows purple or green. You could make the character have heterochromia. Give it a little spark and just play around. However, since I know most of you are not going to do that, I'll give you the third tip. So you need to color, but just thinking what color to choose gives you a headache, right? Don't worry, because I've got you covered. Trust me on this. When I tell you painting in grayscale saves lives, I stand by it till the day that I die. Now all you need to pay attention to are your values. When your painting looks fine on grayscale, it will look good with any color palette. So after you're done with the grayscale, you can either add color by filters or by gradient map and test different colors till it looks how you want it to. My personal favorite is gradient map because I can play with a larger variation of colors for the shadows, for the lights, for the flat color. And now the last step is to add background, some type of special effects, or maybe some more details. Whatever you feel like is missing from your artwork that will make it look even better, even more appealing, even more satisfying. If you'd like me to explain any step further, let me know in the comments. In my next video, goodbye. And you better have created something